Hello everyone. This video is for the girls, so if you don't really care about bags, I'm sorry, but this video is just me opening my new bag. So if you don't care about bags, you can just skip this whole thing. As you can see from the title, I bought my very first big girl bag, and by big girl bag I mean I bought my very first Marc Jacobs bag. I needed a new bag. And I decided to treat myself. I have never bought a designer bag of any kind. I've only thrifted one. I do have a Marc Jacobs little clutch, but that was thrifted years ago at Goodwill. So let's unbag this bag. So let's go. Okay, hold on, wait, let me fix the lighting because I feel like the lighting is too dark. I'm just gonna start unwrapping. We have the Marc Jacobs tissue, which is beautiful. Here it is, wrapped beautifully. I also got a wallet as well, so we're gonna do that one later. And you have like the hardware here, which is nice and pretty and gold. The size is kind of what sold me. I needed nothing. I needed a bag that wasn't too small but not too big, and this is a perfect like in between size. And I really like the color. It's really pretty. Let's look at the inside. Does anyone know what this is for? Does anyone know what this is for? Really cute. Oh my goodness, a little dust bag. This is adorable. I love this. So whenever you're not using the bags, your purses, you put them in the dust bag that it comes in. And this is adorable. And you can just close it up, just like this. I bought a Cambridge satchel bag years ago, and it came with a really nice dust bag. So I really like when they come with cute little dust bags like this. And this is the inside of the bag. It's actually pretty roomy for a small bag. I feel like I can fit a lot of stuff in here. And I love it. I literally am obsessed. Really classy bag. I wanted something. Also, it does have a slouch to it, which I wanted a bag with a slouch. Ta-da! So when you don't have a lot of stuff, it kind of looks like this, which is cute. So cute. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, now we're going to open the wallet. I bought a wallet to match. I had to buy a new wallet because my old wallet, I bought at TikTok shop. And, oh, it comes with a little wallet dust bag as well. Stop. Marc Jacobs, I love you. Are you serious? This is so cute. I love this. I love this so much. Oh, it's so cute. Another one. Another one.
Another one.
Now, oh my goodness, stop. Look, to match my lip, hold on. I had to get a wallet to match. Oh, what's this? A letter from Marc Jacobs himself. Also, another look inside the bag. You have one little pocket inside. Wait, you can hide your toiletries in there. Oh, another note from Marc Jacobs. First time I saw this bag, I originally wasn't 100% on it, but honestly, looking at it now, a couple months later, I was like, what was I thinking? This is beautiful. I love it. And this is my very first Marc Jacobs bag. It's got the Marc Jacobs logo embedded into the hardware here. And it's beautiful. I love it. So I'm gonna put all of my stuff in this bag. We're gonna fill it up and see how much it holds. So see you in a second. Hey guys, so this is me taking out all the stuff that I put in. It fits literally everything that I need. My scrunchie, my toiletry bag, my journal, and my Excedrin, my inhaler, my new Marc Jacobs wallet, my sunglasses, and what else do I have in here? Oh yeah, my charger, my battery pack, and what else? Oh, tiny little measuring tape because I need to measure all the time, and my clip, AirPods, and of course my phone. But I didn't put my phone yet. But yeah, it fits everything, and it still has a little slouch to it, even with all the stuff packed in there, and it looks great. It fits all my stuff. It's classy. It's beautiful. It's a Marc Jacobs bag. And it's just perfect, and I love it, and I'm so happy. And yeah, guys, like this is the video. Thank you so much for watching, and guys, treat yourself. You deserve it. I'm so happy that I did, and yeah, here's my beautiful bag. Thanks for watching.